Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Create one notebook for each course and name it clearly with the course code. Make sections for lectures, readings, assignments, and review. Use meaningful section names. Add pages for each class meeting or chapter and date them like 2025-09-01. Enable sync to OneDrive to access notes on phone, tablet, and laptop instantly. Set a weekly review page and schedule a 30-minute session every Sunday evening by alarm. Tag key facts with the important tag for use headings, bold, and bulleted lists to structure notes for quick scanning later. Record audio during lectures and sync timestamps to typed notes for precise review. Ink equations or diagrams with a stylus and convert handwriting to text when needed. Apply tags like important, question, and to prioritize study items efficiently. Create linked review pages and use the search box to find tagged items fast. Export pages as PDFs or print study packs at sizes like 8, 5 by 11 inches. Adopt a two-step study workflow. Capture notes first, then condense into summaries within 24 hours. Make a 5-card flashcard page per topic and export as printable PDFs for offline repetition. Schedule spaced reviews at intervals of 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days for retention. Share notebooks with classmates using view or edit permissions and limit access when needed. Backup critical notebooks by exporting a copy to OneDrive and a local folder monthly. Practice retrieval by testing yourself for 20 minutes and then reviewing missed items immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.